Welcome to our monthly newsletter for this month of October 2025. In this, we would love to launch our new workshop that has been opened to serve and do panel beating and respray for all cars. It's a multi-brand workshop. That means even the Toyotas of this world and the Subarus are now welcome. Our focus will be bodyworks, interior, exterior, lighting, and minor repairs on engine, brakes, suspension, and the like. So you who has been asking for all these years and all these months, you're finally welcome to get a touch of S-Line Motors Limited for what we can also be able to do on your other non-VW cars. The workshop is located along Chireka Road, plot 183, just about 100 meters from the old workshop, which is on plot 6, Ojara Close. We shall serve you every day, Monday to Saturday, 8 to 5:30. And we shall also be open all over public holidays. So you are very welcome for us to serve you and give you a German touch in our Kampala, Uganda. Thank you so much. We look forward to serving you.